Hello and welcome to Ellen Ruth Soap. I'm Ellen and today I'm making a special batch of soap. It's part of it's a custom order that I got, and I figured I'd make a big whole batch so that I have some in the shop later on after it's cured. This soap is awesome. I'm making an avocado, hemp, and aloe soap with CBD oil today. And I wrote down some bullet notes on why I chose the ingredients that are going to go in this soap. Let me first off show you one of the differences between this soap and my regular recipe is a good portion of the oils is hemp, unrefined, organic hemp seed oil. Look how rich this color is. This is like skin food. It's so emollient and really good for your skin, makes a wonderful bar of soap. So that's going to be a portion of the oils. This soap also has a good portion of shea and cocoa butters that kind of amp that up. This bar is just so skin nourishing. I do use a full spectrum CBD oil, and I am not brand specific, but I put a full ounce of full spectrum CBD oil in this soap for the beneficial cannabinoids. So it comes out to, after I do the math with the volume of soap that I'm making today, each bar will have about 80 milligrams of CBD in it. So I get asked, can you get high from using the soap? No, you absolutely cannot. But CBD does have some wonderful topical benefits for your skin. Here are a few. There's so much, but I just took down a few bullet points. CBD topically with the cannabidiol. I think I got my syllables on the right. Anyway, it's antioxidant, anti-inflammation properties to it. It's good for eczema and psoriasis and acne-prone skin, so it's very healing on your skin, and it's an anti-aging agent, which I like that. I'm in my 50s, and I'll take anything anti-aging is great with me. Another benefit to this soap is I'm going to be using 2 whole organic avocados, the actual fruit avocados, and I'll show you how I puree that and prep it to go in the soap. It's wonderful, and it is stable after the saponification process. It's wonderful and stable in your food. You don't have to worry about rancidity. It's great. So what I did was I water discount for the volume of puree that I'm using in the soap is how I factor that in. Not water discount, aloe vera discount, because I'm using aloe for the liquid. But let me tell you some of the benefits of avocado topically on your skin. It's very hydrating. It helps moisturizing. It softens lines and wrinkles. We like that. It's antioxidant, and avocados are very full of vitamins, specifically vitamin E and C, which are really good on your skin. So the whole fruit of avocado is going in the soap also. What else do we have going on? Okay, so for the coloring, which avocados are a gorgeous color, but after saponification and oxidation, they turn sort of a beigey color. Doesn't stay that gorgeous green. So to help that green along, since we're going to do super foodie good soap here, I'm going to use spirulina powder for my green color swirl, and that actually has some great benefits for your skin also. It is high in nutrients, vitamins, and fatty amino acids, which are all really good for your skin topically. It decreases inflammation, and it encourages cell turnover. So that's great for any kind of skin problems. You just want, cell turnover on your skin is good. So the other thing that's going in this soap, this is going to be an all-natural soap. This is also going to be a vegan soap. Normally, all of my soaps, I put silk fibers in there, and sometimes I'll use goat milks or things like that. I am not a vegan, but this is going to be a vegan soap, so I kept the silk fibers out. So go for the vegan. And this is all natural, so I'm going to use essential oils to fragrance this and also for their benefits. And I'm going to do a combination of orange essential oil and clove essential oil. There's so much to them, and I am not a super big essential oil aficionado, so I know there's more benefits than I'm going to mention, but here's just a couple of benefits of those essential oils. So orange helps with dry and irritated skin. The fragrance is also very uplifting for your mood. It makes you feel happy when you smell it. And it also reduces inflammation. That's orange essential oil. Clove. What did I write here? It helps blood circulation, and it's an anti-aging benefits to clove oil. So, and I'm not making any health claims here. I'm putting all these things in this soap because I think they're wonderful ingredients. I would encourage you to do your own research on CBD oils, full spectrum, cannabinoids, and the benefits. See how you feel about that, spirulina, all of that. Do your own research. I'm really a proponent of educating yourself on what you put on your skin and in your body. Highly recommend you do your own research. But I'm throwing all these wonderful ingredients in this bar of soap because I think it makes a great bar of soap. So, like I said, aloe vera for the liquid portion. I'm going to get everything pulled together, get my hair pulled back, and let's get together and make some wonderful skin food, nutrient-dense avocado, hemp, and aloe bars. I just wanted to show you what I do with my hard oils and butters, and this is so luxurious. I've got some coconut oil, some organic sustainable palm, cocoa butter, and shea butter is in here, and I'm going to melt these down in the microwave just a couple of minutes until they're almost all the way melted, and then I will add my liquid oils to that to cool it up again. So that is how I do my oils. All right, I'm ready to prepare my avocados here. So what I've done is, here are all my oils, and I poured off a little bit in here to make my puree slurry with my avocados. So I'll show you how I peel an avocado. If these are really ripe, they peel so easy. Sometimes if they're not that ripe, it can be more of a challenge, but hopefully these are ripe enough to show you my avocado peeling trick. If you have a ripe avocado and you quarter it, sometimes you can just peel the peeling off like that. It's so easy and quick. So I'm just going to plop these in here and we'll get it pureed up as smooth as I can get it with my stick blender. I don't want any chunks of avocado in my soap. I want it all pureed. All right, so here is my wonderful avocado puree, and I'm going to go ahead and put it into my oils and get it blended in here. And to my oils, I will add my dry ingredients, which is organic colloidal oats and kaolin clay. Get this blended in. Oh, this is such a beautiful color. Those avocados are gorgeous. But it will not stay this color. With the saponification, they'll just turn to like a beige color, the avocados, which is why, again, I'm going to use spirulina for my coloring to make a swirl in there. Keep this pretty. Even though all the good stuff is in there, it can still be gorgeous. You know, you don't have to compromise on beauty for all the goodness. So anyway, I just love the color of avocado puree, but it doesn't stay that way. All right, I think we've got everything prepped and ready to go. So they got the oils, the butters, all the additives, including the avocados, and the CBD oil is in here, and the essential oils are in here. So everything's in here except for my aloe vera lye solution, which is here, and I did dissolve cane sugar in the aloe vera before I added the lye, and this does not have silk fibers because this is a vegan friendly soap, and apparently silk is not vegan friendly, so I left it out just, you know, because why not? So let me get this poured in, and we'll hand stir, and hopefully this won't go too fast. Clove oil is notoriously badly behaving in soap, but it's so worth it. And I'm going to just hand stir to emulsification, and then we will split off for our spirulina color swirl, which is such a gorgeous color. It's you Yeah, soap saponification does weird things to colors. It's kind of like you can see the avocado is oxidizing and reacting now with the lye, and it's turning that beigey brown, which is not bad, but it's not the beautiful avocado color. Well, spirulina does the same thing. It's that gorgeous, gorgeous dark brown, or sorry, dark green, but it will turn a little less vibrant after saponification. It's still gorgeous though, so I don't want to take away from the beauty of spirulina. I'm going to add a good amount here because this is a very large batch. There we go. Get our scooper here. Smells like fish, kind of to me, like algae, but that scent does not stick around, so if you use spirulina, don't be afraid. Your soap's not going to smell like seaweed. It just smells that way on the outset. There we go. And I am going to run my stick blender through here just really quickly to make sure I don't have any chunks in there. It's the next day on these wonderful avocado, hemp, and aloe bars. And the essential oils smell great, and the colors look amazing. I did steam the top of this earlier this morning, and I forgot my camera, so it's just a clothes steamer that I got on Amazon, links down below, and I run the hot steamer over this until it shines up. It's dry to the touch now, but it keeps a nice shine. I just think it just makes the soap look a little extra pretty. So that's why I do it. Totally not necessary, but for me it's just an aesthetic thing. Let's get into these. That was that fun corner pour. The batter stayed fluid enough, even with the clove oil, which I was really delighted with. That is so cool. I'm loving these stripes. That's a cool pour. I think one of the reasons why is because I didn't overstir it, obviously, and also I was soaping at cooler temperatures. I was under 80 degrees on both the oils and the lye, and I think that helped me have just a little extra time with the clove oil, because it's notorious for going quick. So I think that's why I had a little extra time. I'm very happy I did, These are cool. Look at that swirly one. Oh, it's so fun to cut soap and see what you get. You never quite know till you get in there. Oh, that is so cool looking. And the spirulina is actually staying a nice dark green. I think it'll cure out just maybe a little bit more mellow, but I'm hopeful that it's going to retain a lot of great color.